Division 1 and the race is on. Akire Onileva fast to begin, followed by Bestman by Dral. Restless Heart is racing on the outside, moving up down on the inside is Dome of Peace. King's Reward, Jan Bolt for Vidam Fruit. And Stunning Success, second last. Looking at Lucky is running at the tail of the field. Back to the front runner, Akire Onileva by about 2 lengths. Bestman in second. Dome of Peace racing third from the outside is Restless Heart. And inside the last 800, Akire Onileva by about 2 lengths. Bestman, Dome of Peace racing on the outside, closing in. And Restless Heart. And rounding the far turn, Akire Onileva by about 2.5 lengths. Bestman, Dome of Peace racing in third on the outside. And as they race the final corner, Akire Onileva by about 3 lengths now. Bestman, Dome of Peace, Forbidden Fruit moving up by Dral. Last 200 meters more to run. Akire Onileva and Forbidden Fruit down on the inside. Last 75 meters. Akire Onileva, Forbidden Fruit, and finally Akire Onileva, Forbidden Fruit, Bestman, Dome of Peace, is Stunning Success.